Labor and Industrial Law by M.G. Law. So now we will cover the topic liabilities and duties of a registered trade union. Okay, on page number 10. Liabilities and duties of a registered trade union. A trade union which is registered, what are its liabilities and duties? Okay, so the first duty is to make rules for certain matters. These matters are contained in section 6. Section 6 contains these matters. What are these matters? The object of the establishment of the trade union. What is the objective of establishing the trade union? Okay. Another one is the purposes on which general fund is to be spent. Next is the admission of members, and another one is the manner of dissolution of the trade union. On these matters, the registered trade union has to make rules. Next duty is to constitute an executive. The constitution of executive should be according to trade unions act provisions. Okay, it should be according to the rules and regulations of trade unions act. It is a condition precedent to registration. So the executive should be constituted before registration. It is a precondition to registration. Next duty is to spend general funds in accordance with section 15 only. In section 15 there are certain specified objects, like the general fund can be spent on the salary allowances of the office bearers, on legal proceedings, on the conduct of trade dispute, or to give compensation to the members or dependents for the loss in trade dispute. Okay, we have seen these objects in the rights of registered trade union in the previous topic. Okay, next duty, if there is a political fund, it should be separate. Okay, the money for political activity should not be spent from the general fund. The political fund should be separate from the general fund. The next duty of a registered trade union is to provide access to books. What type of books? Account books and the members list. Okay, for inspection by office bearers and members. So the office bearers and members can have access to the account books and they can check the members list. It is the duty of the registered trade union to give notice to registrar if there is a name change. Okay, if there is an amalgamation of two or more trade unions into one union, or if there is a change in the address of the head office of the trade union, or if there is dissolution of the trade union. Next duty is to send statement of audit to the registrar in the prescribed manner on prescribed date. So these were the liabilities and duties of a registered trade union. What were these? To make rules for certain matters which are specified in section 6, and next is to constitute executive. Next was to spend general fund in accordance with section 15 only. Next was political fund for political activities, then to provide access to books, then sending notice to registrar for certain matters like name change, amalgamation, head office address change, dissolution, and another one was to send a statement of audit to the registrar. So these were the liabilities and duties of a registered trade union. If you are interested in the PDF for revision, you can get the link in the description or the comment box. Next video will be of immunity from civil and criminal liability. We will cover it in the next video.